Hey, I thought this was just a fun little video about adding avatars to your list pages to be able to see which users or agents created the record. So just a couple things of note. Obviously, to make this the most meaningful, we want to have multiple users set up in the system, maybe a couple of agents that are running. We need to make sure that they're active or enabled, and we want to make sure that we are on a newer release of Business Central. So to check that, you can come into your Business Central environment. You would click on your help icon to help and support, and then if you scroll down, you can see which version of Business Central that you are on. So I am on the 28 preview release, and then within Business Central, if I were to go to, let's say, the sales orders as an example. So here on the left-hand side, you would see who created the record, and then if there's a second icon, you would see who modified the record. So I can see here that these ones were created by the system. This is just a demo environment, and then here I can see that this was modified by Christopher Taylor. And then if I scroll down, I can see a few more sales orders that were created. So this was created by the administrator. And then these records were created by Chris Taylor again. So no second icon means that they have not been modified. And this ability is on many of the list pages. Again, you would just click on list, and this little pop out where you've got the created and modified is what would show or hide the avatars. Thanks for watching. Don't be afraid to connect. If you would like, you can click here to follow our channel and click here for more great videos.